Paul, everybody, and I'm what you might call a data fabric fanatic. I walk the walk or talk the talk, whatever that means. But today, I'm not going to talk to you about what data fabric is. I'm not going to tell you that it's the only architecture that gives you the freedom to make the best decisions for your business, to let your data flow where you need it most, and to innovate faster with fewer resources. I'm also not going to tell you that only NetApp gives you the freedom to choose your clouds, your application ecosystem, your delivery method, your storage cloud platform, and deployment model with the freedom to change any of these whenever you want. So I'm not going to talk about any of that today. What I am going to tell you, specifically though, is what Data Fabric can do for you and what it's already doing for organizations all over the world. Take DARS, for example. Now, this full-service IT provider is one of the first companies in the world to offer secure multi-cloud sourcing. Multi-cloud sourcing not only means combining co-location, private, and public cloud, but it means combining different public clouds and hyperscalers. This innovative offering makes it possible for DARS customers to tap into the compute resources of the DARS private cloud, or popular hyperscale clouds like SoftLayer or AWS. In fact, with secure multi-cloud sourcing, DARS customers can switch workloads between cloud providers in seconds, and they can do it without putting any of their data or their business at risk. So this is true freedom of choice, the freedom to choose on-premises and on cloud. Now, another great example is Despegar.com. They're the largest online travel firm in Latin America. With OpenStack and NetApp, Despegar has unleashed unlimited innovation. They've accelerated their time to market for their online travel services. And in fact, instead of 3 to 5 new applications and updates per week, they now deploy over 300 per day. So you can see what a big jump that is. Also jumping on the Data Fabric bandwagon are enterprises like Randstad. So this HR giant has just begun its journey to the cloud. And they started with disaster recovery using AWS, but their next step is much more ambitious. In 5 years, they want all IT services to be delivered from the cloud, and they want to be able to leverage many different cloud providers, including NetApp. So this will help Randstad consolidate its globally diverse infrastructure, reduce costs, gain greater operational flexibility, and simplify management. Now, as you might imagine, Randstad looked at many different storage vendors when they started their cloud journey. But NetApp ultimately won the day. And that's because we gave Randstad not just greater performance, but also comprehensive management between the data center and the cloud. We are talking about one interface for managing and reporting on cloud and on-premises deployments. Now, some of you may have heard that SolidFire is now a NetApp company. Global analytics software company FICO first heard about SolidFire's all-flash scale-out storage from eBay and PayPal at an OpenStack summit in Paris. Both were satisfied users. Well, when FICO built their analytic cloud, they chose OpenStack, Red Hat's OpenShift, and NetApp SolidFire, because big data analytics offer high-performance, hyperscale capabilities. In fact, as a result, FICO can scale both capacity and performance without any downtime or performance impact. And the highest latency they've seen on their VMware workloads, 2.1 milliseconds. Pretty impressive, right? Now, these stories show how service providers, enterprises have the freedom to make the best decisions for their businesses, to let their data flow where they need it most, and to innovate faster with fewer resources. Only NetApp lets you do that, but I'm not going to tell you to do that. So if what you've just heard intrigues you, and it really should, we encourage you to check out our demos in the back, talk to our data fabric experts, and find out how you too can have the freedom to choose with NetApp. So right now I'd like to thank you for your time and attention. If you'll flow out in this direction, you have the freedom to choose a t-shirt in a size that suits you from 3XL down to small. So please go through there and Nikisha will hand you one. We have our solid fire demos back there. FlexPod, of course, is here, and we would love to talk to you further before you go. So have a great day, everybody. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much.
NetApp is good too.
Thanks.